What's up, guys? Secret Squirrel here. Today we're back at it from River City Airsoft in Hamlin, New York. The Bad Batch boys recently hosted an out-of-season winter game, and boy did it turn out to be a beautiful day. Myself and the rest of Squirrel Team 6 teamed up with the crew from Right Red Hand. Shout out to you guys for being a great group to work with. This round is from the game mode Rush. ST6 and Red Right Hand make a charge up the gut and quickly capture the first flag. Can they continue the final flag, or will time run out? Stay tuned to find out. Now, let's get into the action.
Following you. Don't follow me. I don't know where I'm going. Come on.
Go, go, go.
Shoot the guy in the arm. I beg you. Get that, McKenzie. No, I'm in the field. Attackers have raised the first flag. Time has reset. Second flag is
You watch that flag.
Attackers have 15 minutes.
All right, we can move up. We can move up. All right, there's one behind the corrugated tubes, left side. Got him. Down. Down.
Where at?
Push up.
What? Moving.
Push up.
How does it feel like?
One in the barrels.
Hit.
Whoa, hit. I'm dead in the middle.
Where's yours finish? Okay.
Alright, there was one right over there. Not gonna go.
Yeah, he's still there. You got one?
I'm on your shoulder, Ryan.
I got all three. Left is down. They're behind the building.
Back side of what?
I'm gonna push up to the building,
Focus
okay?
right side. Focus right side. We need guys over there. Oh, right.
All right, you ready for this? You're all dead though. Bye.
Good shit.
Watch to the right there. Where?
I got one right here, but I think he's friendly. I think we're the furthest out.
Alright, hold on. Got another way to take care of that.
I got one guy in blue shirt out in the woods. I could be able to get him on him. In the blue shirt.
Alright, they're down. Move around. See if we can move around.
We got one here.
Take that side.
Come on, son.
Push back.
Did
we get that blue flag yet? Where are they?
behind that dirt pile?
Alright, take it up to a tree.
Yeah. Loading.
Alright.
I mean, we take the flag. We just hold them here. We win. Got it.
Alright guys, I'm pushed up to the trench line. Move up.
Got that guy going left.
Yep. Push up! Watch that wire tie. Left one. Shane, about your 11 o'clock.
Hey, one right on flat.
Wire loop, 11 o'clock.
one behind the tires and there's two behind the wheel.
Got him.
There's two in the building. Where are we at? There's one over there on the right side.
If you really want to push up. Go ahead.
Building.
Good to push up if you want. One behind the wheel. One behind the wheel. Yeah, I just did.
Hey. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Game over. Game over. We got this after the final flag.
And there you have it, folks. Teamwork makes the dream work. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, stay frosty out there.